Welcome to the tutorial for accessing the virtual SINC site. Today we are going to learn how to access the virtual SINC site so that you have access to sites such as Blackboard, Google, and YouTube no matter where you are. First, let's connect using this URL. Once you reach this homepage, sign in with your NetID and NetID password. Then click on Virtual SINC Site right here. You will see this preparing Windows screen for a few seconds, and now it is like you are at an actual SINC site. So in order to access Google, click over here on Google Chrome, and you can search anything as you would normally. It'll take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you'll be taken straight to the Student Summer Tech Guide, where you'll have access to different tech resources, how to download free software, everything like that. Specifically, you can click on Virtual Workshops, and then you'll have access to all of these different workshops that we've made available. I'm just going to click on Basic Excel, and this will take you straight to YouTube. Clearly, this is one way to access YouTube, but you can also go about it by opening a new tab up here at the top, and then just going to youtube.com. And then once it loads, you'll see that you have your normal YouTube homepage. The virtual SINC site is also a way to access site-licensed academic software titles from off-campus 24/7. Just some of these titles include RStudio, ChemDraw, and MATLAB. To access any of these titles, click on the Start menu on the bottom left corner of your virtual SINC site screen, and you could scroll through to find whichever software you are looking for. So for example, I see R. I'm going to click on this drop-down menu, and you can see all these different things, and then you can click on RStudio down here. So if any of your classes require software like this, before you buy it, check to make sure if the virtual SINC site has it. When you are done with the virtual SINC site, simply log off by clicking on the Start menu, clicking on the little person icon, and clicking Sign Out. And then you have completely logged off and you're good to go. If you have any virtual SINC site questions, visit this URL on the screen, and you can then either click on the FAQs down here specifically for the virtual SINC site, or you can go up here to the Help tab and report any problems, read some articles, and ask any questions that you have. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using the virtual SINC site.